Hi everyone, today's video is all about a tiny symbol with the huge power. The copyright symbol. Whether you're creating content or protecting your own work, knowing how to add this symbol is essential. So buckle up, let's demystify the copyright symbol. Method 1. Keyboard shortcut magic. Ready for some finger gymnastics? Here is a keyboard shortcut so fast you'll be adding a copyright like a ninja. Place your cursor where you want the symbol. Hold down Ctrl Alt and C together. Boom! There is your copyright symbol showing right there. Method 2. The symbol menu shortcut. Feeling more clicky than fastly? No worries. Here is the menu method. Click the Insert tab in the ribbon. Look for the symbol button. Choose symbol from here, as you can see.